Hello internet, hello YouTube. How are you doing today? I am having a wonderful day and I hope yours is going swimmingly. We're going to be opening up February 2020 Allure Beauty Box. For those of you that are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it runs $15 a month. It is plus tax, so I end up paying roughly about $16.05. It's a monthly subscription where you get 5 to 6 beauty products. And they do guarantee that you get at least 2 full-size products included in every box. The box has a $97 value, which is pretty awesome. And if you are going to be subscribing to the box this month, you actually end up getting a bonus item, a Giorgio Armani lipstick. Let's go into the box and see what we got this month. Before I jump into that, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button. That way you get to see some more of me. Opening up the box. And there's a little booklet included. The booklet gives you a note from the editor, everything that comes included this month, why they picked that specific item, how to use the item, how much it costs for the full-sized item, as well as any coupons if you wanted to buy the product online. The first thing I have included is a face mask, and this is a Super Beauty mask. Get it? Beauty. And it's rose blended with Jarrett tea by Honey Jarrett. The first thing they noticed was the appealing pink lemonade shade. Next, the scent is strong but not offensively so. Reminds me of the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. I don't think I've ever been to the Brooklyn Botanic Garden. Infused with rose and tea extracts. The formula's texture is lightweight and slick but not wet. How can it be lightweight and slick but not wet? Okay. And this is the back of the mask, and it gives you directions as to how to use it. This costs $3. It's actually not a bad price for a sheet mask. Very curious to try this out. It does smell like tea. It smells like green tea actually. Rose and tea extracts. It smells like green tea to me. Oh, it is slimy in there. Oh, that's the one thing I hate about sheet masks, is less like so slimy. The shade. It is very pink. It is slimy. Big old slime fest over here. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, so I have a little hole for my mouth, which I always hate because I have a big face. It just says to leave it for 10 to 20 minutes. So I'll be back in 10 to 20 minutes. Goodbye. Ugh. And it just says to rub the serum on your skin until it's absorbed. Yeah, it was a regular mask, nothing too crazy. There was like slight tingling just because I had just washed my face before I put that on. Nothing out of control. It was very minimal. I think the biggest thing for me is that the mouth hole wasn't big enough, so it was like talking like this the entire time, which I do not appreciate. I just wish that they would make different size masks for different size faces. It's not one size fits all. I should know I have a big face, so it's just very irritating. I'm ambivalent to it. It's just a meh. It's a mask. It did make my face really warm though. I will say that. My face is definitely still tingly, still quite warm. Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Vital Power Infusion. It's a serum. I'm not going to use this just because I just used the mask and that did have its own serum on that, so I don't want to like over serumize my face, if that's even a word. Like too much, okay? Let's not go crazy. My face has always been pretty good at enduring winter, but this year it was as if my skin thought the world was ending. Sallow yellow invaded pink undertones. The bounce in my cheeks gave way to harsh redness. Makeup lost its ability to stick. I was itchy and tight and puffy. Using this watery serum between the toning and moisturizing steps in my twice daily routine proved to be an extra kick of hydration and anti-inflammation I needed. I think I'm good with the serum I use from the mask, so I'm just gonna skip that step. Full size of this is 1.7 ounces and runs $58. And this is 0.25 ounces. So this would be roughly about $8.52. Next thing I have included is a brush. It's from NYX. It's a professional makeup brush. I'm always a fan of getting brushes. I think this might be the first time I've actually gotten a brush in my Allure Beauty Box. Alright, so that's the tip. Ooh, it's super soft and fluffy. And that is the brush. And it's in the number 2. I think this might be the powder brush. I'm pretty sure this is the powder brush. It is like, it's not densely packed, so it feels like this would work really well for a powder. According to the comments, it's her favorite to use for blush and highlighter. Their synthetic bristles, as soft as a puppy's ears, create a seamless finish that my fingers just can't. And this runs $17. Very nice, super fluffy. Very, very happy that I got those. Allure Beauty, and it's called the After Hours Highlighter. It's talking about back when I was a budding beauty editor, highlighter wasn't a thing. The shade is a silvery pearl that glints off the planes of my face without looking greasy. And Wander's whole MO is easy and on the go, and this formula is no exception. So it is in bubble wrap, so it should be well protected. Should be. And this is the packaging. It looks so cute. I like how it looks. Full size of this runs $30. Ooh, and that is what the palette looks like. A nice golden shimmer. I'm actually going to use the powder brush that came included because it's actually really thin on this side, and they did say you could use it as a highlighter, so see how that works. I just tapped on a very small amount. I'm not really sure. Let's go again. Oh, yep, I see it. I see it now. Oof. Yeah, this is definitely a silvery pearl. I like this brush. This brush is good. And I like this brush because it's dense enough that it actually like diffuses it without giving you any kind of sharp lines. And very easily just blends everything in. So that is a plus. This brush is a winner in my book. A peel, and it's an ultra lip cream in Muse. Oh, it's sealed. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. And you just like twist this little knob right here. And that is the shade. So it's like a dusty pink, looks like. That is very pink. Hopefully it blends in with my eye makeup, but who knows? Who knows until I do it. Aspirational rose, a brownish rose. Is this a brownish rose? I would say more dusty. I wouldn't say brownish. And it's not a glamour red or a flirty pink, a serious brown or a playful violet or blue. This shade is more essential. And this actually runs $21. I'm actually going to go light and try and build it up so it's not as startling. I think I'm okay with as far as I went. I don't need it to be any deeper than that. And that looks good. It actually matches my eye makeup perfectly. I would have preferred it to be a little bit deeper on the red tone, on the red scale, but I'm not mad at it. Everything goes flawlessly together. I'm also happy that it's not a matte, so it's not drying down onto my dry lips. All right, so far so good. Moving on. I'm back and it's time for bed. Girl, I am pooped. I'm tired. It's ready for bed. Even though I still look fantastic, I'm looking good. Yes. But yeah, I gotta go to bed. So I'm gonna take off this makeup and we shall see what else they have in this box. Be right back. So my face is freshly washed and it looks like they actually have a bonus item included, and this is Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer, and it's fragrance free, and you also get a $3 coupon inside, which is great. They don't have any information on this. It's basically just an ad at the back of the pamphlet, and I'm pretty sure it's because it's just a bonus item. That's what it looks like. It's super tiny. Ooh! I lost it. There's the inside of it. Nothing out of the ordinary. It's not that heavy. It's super light on your skin. Maybe a little too light for me, because it feels like this is gonna dry real quick. If I find pricing information on it, I'll put that right here for you. Believe in Truth Aqua Bomb Sleeping Mask. Lock and seal in explosive hydration overnight. Intensely moisturizes for a dewy glow. And it does have a seal on it. Ooh, That's interesting. That's what it looks like on the inside. It's like a blue gel. It's a very clean scent though. Let's see how it feels on the skin. Hopefully it's a lot better than that moisturizer, because that moisturizer is going to dry down quick. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this is what I need. Need like a nice thick layer between me and the world. Yeah, that is exactly what I needed. Way better than that, whatever that was, night moisturizer. Way better. And it has Lady Mantle in it. An antioxidant rich herb, popular for calming redness. Which I don't get red, so I'm fine with that. The formula also includes Scottish heather, also known as Calluna, another proven skin soother. The mask is not particularly hydrating, which is why I recommend layering it under your moisturizer. It is called a sleeping mask, but none of its ingredients suggest that it can only be worn at night. Wear it at any time. Well, I had the night moisturizer on, wasn't a fan of it, so I think the two together should get me through it. And the full size of this is $34. And I'll put additional pricing information right here if I can find it. And that's it. That's the video. Have a good one. Bye.